Samsung top load washer. I got it laid down on the side right now, but I'm getting when it goes into spin mode, all you hear is a clicking sound, almost like, you know, like if you would put a playing card with a clothespin on your bicycle in the spokes, and you know you get that loud flapping sound. Well, that's kind of the sound that I'm trying to, you know, demonstrate here. So, but I figured out what the problem was, and actually it's this type of washer right here. As you can see, you know, it's the same style. And this one actually, let me get down here. I took this little bar off. It goes up there. Just 2 bolts. Simple. You know, you spin it, it's fine. And if you engage the clutch, which this is the clutch right here. So when it goes into spin mode, this unit pulls this handle up. As you can see, the little wire right here, it'll pull it up to gauge the clutch, and then this will spin. So it's hard for me to do this with one hand, but you can kind of hear it. So you know, the faster it spins, the louder it gets. When it's down, it's smooth. When it's up, so I figured out something must have script the part down here, I guess from a heavy load or something. So I'm gonna see if I can take this off without having to get you guys to stopping this film. Sometimes you gotta hold this and hit it with a hammer. I kind of loosened it some, so I'm gonna see if I can do it without. Nope. So hold on one second, and I'll get this off by let me set this camera right here. Yeah, just for a second, and loosen this up. So take this, bring this back out. As you can see, I took the screw off. This is like a magnetic, because it has a certain type of it has I forgot what type of motor is on here, but it's a direct drive motor. And so I can pull this off. It's got magnets inside this unit, so it's kind of stiff to pull off. Okay, so you can see all the black stuff inside here, but that tells me something grinded up. And you see the magnets inside, and you see where it grips to this motor, copper wiring and stuff right here. And you can see all the black stuff inside here as well. So what I gotta do is take these bolts loose. See what I'm doing here. Get all these out. And so basically, what I'm gonna do here is take these bolts loose so I can get this off. Out of here. I'm trying to do this so I don't have to pause the video for you guys, so you can kind of see everything on the fly. Makes it much easier. And then it's gonna come down. I'm just gonna lay this right here. on that. Just lay that on that right there. Keep it attached. And I'm gonna pull this off. And as you can see, this is what goes. You see those little notches? Where they kind of got like a point to them now. They should be squared. So when it fits inside of here, this comes together. So in other words, when this transmission piece goes up, when it goes up, as you can see, it pushes back to that. And those notches inside here grips inside the empty spaces in here, and that's what turns it. So right now, when it goes back, it's just getting it's like it don't have no. And they use plastic. I mean, it's supposed to be hard plastic, but you know that you put a good load in here and this thing trying to spin and rinse and agitate back and forth, that's gonna be the hardest part. So at the like I said, that is the reason why this thing messed up. So for the most part, I'm gonna change this out, and I hope this helped some of you people out there if you're having the same issue. It's fairly easy to do. It's not a whole lot to it. Take this bolt loose right here, and that seems like the only bolt that's holding it, and it probably slides on. Look like it's got a spring back here. Yeah, spring in there. And just actually could just replace this one piece right here. This piece is still good, but if you want, if it comes together, I don't know if it comes together or not, but this is the clutch system. So I'm pretty sure you could just Samsung top loader clutch, that's your model number. I got an extra unit like this for parts, so I'm just gonna take it off that one and put it on here. All right, and I'll update you guys with the end results, but more than likely this is my problem. And like I said, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. All right.